Quick update here. What we didn't realize when we installed this system was that we actually didn't have the right spec. I think this is a earlier generation model and a European spec where it has straps that hold it in. Some of the US ones do as well, though like I said, I think it's the production dates vary, so make sure when you're buying this system to check your production date on your Cayman GT4 to ensure you have the right one. As you can see, for us, we needed the one that has this bracket bolts on, and there's two other brackets that come in here and bolt this exhaust system, and that's how it's held on. So like I said, double check, make sure you're ordering the right one before you do this.